everyone, it's Mel here. Welcome to my video on what is a touring assembly. This is a little event that myself and my dad did last week, hosted by Bolton Le Moors Motor Club. So a touring assembly is essentially a non-competitive rally. As you can see from this footage here, all the cars used on the day were just most people's just general everyday runabout. We used our auto solo car, affectionately named Mavis. She's a Toyota Yaris 1.8. You can see there's other cars there that people use for auto solos. Some people have kit cars, some people have classic cars which are absolutely beautiful, and some people are just using their everyday car. The club gave us this lovely little booklet so that we could navigate around the route using what's called tulip diagrams. So you'll see here, basically it gives you a distance between the different junctions. You use a trip meter to show the distance that you've travelled, and then it'll tell you that within, say, half a mile, you need to turn left at a T-junction or straight on at a roundabout, something like that. So you go through the tulips, you tick each one off after you've gone past it, and at each junction you reset your trip meter so that you can count to the next junction. You'll also see here that it's split up into 7 sections, so if you get lost at any point you can always just meet everyone else up at these separate sections and then just start the event again from there. I've captured a little footage for you here. So this is myself navigating. You can see that I'm using my phone on the left corner for our trip meter, and I've got the tulip diagrams in front of me. So we're going along a beautiful country road here, and you'll be able to hear me navigate my dad to the next turn. So 0.2 miles, we've got a left turn, Proximus Road. 0.1. Is this one coming up by the looks of it? Next one is 2.26 miles. Okay. So hopefully you can see from that footage that you don't really need any specialist equipment or anything like that to do an event like this. You just need a car, a driver, a navigator. There's other different types of events like auto solos, like you've seen in my other videos, auto tests. Other types of rallies, scatter rallies, things like that, that you can do, and you just use a standard car. So motorsport doesn't have to be expensive. I would suggest that if you do want to get into some sort of cheap motorsport, then maybe contact your local club. If you're in the northwest, you can contact the ANWCC, and they'll tell you where your nearest club is, and you can get in contact with them. Or if you've got any questions about this event or any other events, just leave a question in the comments. And if you would like me to do a video on how to use tulips, or say how to plot a map or anything like that, just let me know and I can do a separate video. In the meantime, look after yourselves and drive safe. Bye. Yeah.